Many traditional villages along the Jinsha River maintain relatively intact agroforestry mountain farming methods and cultural beliefs in nature worship. People live in harmony with nature, practicing the Nasi proverb, "Nature and man are brothers." In 2013, the Participatory Action Research Team of Chinese Academy of Sciences and Farmers Seed Network came to Stone Village to conduct action research on agrobiodiversity conservation and utilization. Since 2018, with the support of the Farmers Seed Network and the Pan Third Pole Environmental Change and Green Silk Road construction project of the Chinese Academy of Sciences, the Stone Village has become a demonstration site for sustainable livelihood improvement and green development.